Hi there, I'm Joe.
What up? I'm Marcus.
And we are here again today for another installment of Marcus Tries the Pedal. Once again, if you're not familiar with this segment, we are given a surprise pedal that we don't know ahead of time what it's going to be, picked out by Rick. And then we get to reveal what it is, and here, if Marcus can come up with a good tone, maybe with a little help,
Right.
turning the knob. So, as per tradition, I'm expecting this to be a severed head or a snake in boot. So, let's see what we have today.
See what we got. All right.
And it's a power supply.
You're so fired.
Okay, close your eyes.
So now, once again, see what we got here.
All right, now let's see what we have this time.
Oh, awesome! So, what we have here is the Ocean's 11 from Electro-Harmonix. A big fan of this one. It's a great reverb pedal. It's got 11 different reverbs, as the name might indicate. Totally good at using this thing. There we go. Okay, so we got our different reverb types. And we can even do things like crash the spring reverb when you double tap it. Very cool stuff.
Ooh.
So let's get it plugged in.
Yes.
And see what we can come up with.
I'm excited on this one. This one should be an interesting one.
Gotta get that Panzacola tone.
All right. Shout out Pensacola.
That's right. All right.
Shout out Sean Phillips.
So there are some secondary functions on this. So we got our clean tone here. Actually, it looks like it's already on. So our clean tone. Let's go ahead and turn up the effect level. And ooh, this should be fun. We've got different. So I'm sure that wasn't picking up our mic, but just got washed out there, huh?
All right. Yeah.
Very cool. So, I think we already accomplished something cool, but let's see if we get anything even wilder going on here.
See.
So, let's try something like reverse. These are always fun.
Oh yeah, this thing is too much fun. This is too much fun.
It's like poltergeist.
Right?
They're here.
Yes.
Very cool. Well,
All right.
we're out of here. Pretty sure
Poltergeist.
we may have just summoned Satan, so we gotta get out of
Right.
here.
That's what it is. Yes.
So scared. What we got?
Ah, can't you tell we love our jobs? The Ocean's 11 Reverb.
Cool.
Electro-Harmonix.
Alright, well that was fun. We're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Let's have a good one. You take everything so seriously.
Yes.